ఓకే. దాంతో పాటు మనకి డైనమిక్ విండో కాంపోనెంట్ అని 3D వేర్ హౌస్‌లో ఒక సెపరేట్‌గా ఉందన్నమాట. లైవ్ కాంపోనెంట్స్ లాగా. సో, డైనమిక్ విండోస్ ఏంటంటే మనం ఓన్‌గా వాల్యూస్ ఎంటర్ చేయడం వల్ల మనకు కావాల్సిన టైప్‌లో డిజైనింగ్ వస్తదన్నమాట. ఆ పర్టిక్యులర్ విండో అనేది. సో, అదెలా అనేది మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి ఎక్స్‌ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను. సో, 3D వేర్ హౌస్‌కెళ్దాం. 3D వేర్ హౌస్. 3D వేర్ హౌస్‌లోకెళ్ళి ఇక్కడ మనకి విండోస్ అని సెర్చ్ చేస్తే గనక విండోస్‌లోకెళ్ళి విండోస్‌లో మనకి డిఫరెంట్ ఉంటాయి. ఇక్కడ మనకొచ్చేసరికి కొన్ని ఆప్షన్ ఉంటాయన్నమాట ఫిల్టర్ చేసుకోవడానికి అడ్వాన్స్‌డ్‌గా. సో, అవి వచ్చేసరికి ఏంటంటే వన్ లైవ్ కాంపోనెంట్, వన్ డైనమిక్ కాంపోనెంట్, నెక్స్ట్ జియో లొకేటెడ్. ఫస్ట్ లైవ్ కాంపోనెంట్స్. లైవ్ కాంపోనెంట్స్ గురించి ఆల్రెడీ చెప్పాను. నెక్స్ట్ డైనమిక్ కాంపోనెంట్ వచ్చేసరికి ఏంటంటే సేమ్ like live components, but dynamic components having some more extra options. Okay, we have like this different windows. Now I will download one window. Okay, for example, I am downloading this window. Okay, that I will upload to our model. Import downloads. Okay, this is actual window, so we'll keep it somewhere here. So I will hide this and I will keep it there. And I will rotate this. Okay, it's not fit to our frame, so I will edit this according to our requirement. So that is what is our width and height, also we have to keep it there. Here, so for editing this dynamic component, you have to do right click on this, and on the down you will have dynamic component option. From there you have to go to component options. Okay, see here, so one will create with lot of options. So here we can some windows will be in centimeters, some will be in millimeters, some will be in inches, like that. Okay, this is the total height and width of that frame. Okay, and next, how many horizontal lights, like that. So we have horizontal 3 right here inside of that, and how with the rows are 4 rows are there in each of that. So how to edit that? I want only single frame here. I don't want like this millions. So for that, what you will do? You will make it as this one. Okay. This rows also you will make it as one. So like this automatically it will modify. So you can modify the total height also. So what is our height? 8 feet 2 inches. If you convert into inches, so 8 into 12, so 96 plus 2, 98. Okay, custom height 98. Mm, So we have already here different heights. Okay. Custom. So what is the width? Width is 16, 160, 192, 202. It No, it is not changing. Okay, the height was not changing actually. Okay. Right click, turn components, attributes, maximum width. It's no. Okay, it's not changing actually. We'll take another one. We'll import this one and we'll modify this. So if you right click components, so you have to convert this window is in centimeters. Okay, the x direction and y direction you can increase the values. So for example, if it is yours 300 centimeters, you can access that. Okay, so now I will place that. I'll delete this. I'll know this. Means you can do scaling also, but the properties of frame will be changed. So what is our height also I have to convert it to centimeters. Okay, units inches to millimeters we have to convert. So width will be 202 inches, right? 202, 5130.8. So this will be 5 and 3.08. Okay, see exactly how it is matching. Height also can match like that. So this is 98 inches height will be. That is 248.9. 248.92. Okay, so like this we will match that particular window. So if you don't want this grills and all, you can modify this. That is, you don't want only one rows also, I want only one row. Like this we can modify. So this is type 2 means only 2 frames will come. Type 4 means 4 frames will come. Like this different windows having different properties. Like this you will change the properties of a particular window by using this dynamic component. So until here clear, right?
Clear.
Yeah, okay. Next we will see creating artwork. So what is glue to component, what is cut opening, and creating a glue to component arc. Okay, so this where we will use is if you are creating any panels like solar panels or something photo frames. So when you are using like that like mat, when you are designing mat under the bed or some table or near sofa set and all, that time this will be useful while making components. So we'll see what is that cut opening and all. So for that, for example, I will make one roof here. Okay. So I selected this. No. Okay, for example, if you have roof like this, so I will make it as group. You edit address stuff more. Like this we have. Okay. For example, if we consider it is like roof, so I'm making one solar panel here. Hmm. Okay, I'm drawing a rectangle here. And I'm making it as a component. So until here we know. And here we have some options. Okay, alignment. We have general means there you will give the component name, and we have alignment options here. That is glue to any means it will connect to the any surface on what you are drawing. It will connect to that particular surface. Okay, otherwise only horizontal surface or vertical surface or none. it will not stick to anything. Okay, and we have option here like cut opening, and we have set component access also. That is also I will say why we have to do that. Now here I'm creating this without means like normal values I will keep and I will create, and I will make copy of that. I will apply some glass material here. See here we are not able to see anything inside of that house because inside one inside of this face is there. Okay, now we can able to see the inside. Okay, so by keeping that option any and by tick marking cut opening, if you move this also, if you move this also, so it will move with the surface, it will stick to the particular surface. Okay, now I am making, so I will remove this and I will explain one more thing. Hide this. So for example we have like this, so near sofa will make one mat. Okay, outside of the component or group means there is no problem. Okay, we can create easily, but when you are creating on a face, you have to follow these options. For example, you are creating like mat here. First I will apply one surface here, so I'll import one, import wood. Each will be 4 feet height, and we can edit the texture. And rotate 90 degrees, and after that you have to click on done. Okay, we have flooring here, wooden flooring. So on this flooring I'm creating on the rectangle here. Okay, I created two rectangles here. Now what I will do is I will select this first rectangle, do right click, make component. Now I am doing cut opening. For this I am unclicking cut opening and create. For next rectangle, I'm making component. I'm keeping cut opening. Okay. Now I will apply some different material to this. I will apply some. Okay. See the difference between both. So why it is blinking like this and why it is coming like this means when you are making component, you have to do cut opening. Okay, you have to click on cut opening. That time it will create one cut. Cut means in the sense it will not be tie up with the particular surface. If you untick that, it will be tie up with the same surface. It will not make any cut. If you move, both will move, but it will not touch the surface. Okay. So if you want to resolve this problem, what you have to do is you have to make that surface a little bit height, 0.1. Okay. Then you will not see any flickering and all. Okay. If you are not making any height changes to that particular surface, you need not to worry. But if you are making any height to that particular surface, you need not to worry. If you are not making any height, if you are keeping with parallel to that particular surface, you have to click that. You have to always keep cut opening if you are keeping with particular surface. Okay, that you have to do while making the components. So that I will explain more clearly with photo frame. Okay, for example, first I will keep any paint color to this wall. Colors. I'm making one frame here. So for making photo frames, I have some uh, plans, projects. Okay, I have some painting images here, like here something. So this I will use and I will make photo frame with this. So first I'll go to that particular face, draw a rectangle. So like 7 by 5 I will take. 7 comma 5 I will take. Okay. So this is the small photo frame. Here this I will make it as a component. So while making component, you have to always keep cut opening and you have to click glue to any. Okay, this is photo frame. Photo frame 1 and create. Okay, after creating this, you will see one axis here. Okay, the green axis always must see here, it always shows according to the green axis will be in green axis. So if it is not there, you have to right click on access, Control Z. First I will make one photo frame. So for that, after that, what you have to do is you have to import the photo frame. Import, go to some images here. I'll click on this. You have to create texture and import and keep here. Okay, it is not matching that. So after that, you have to edit the texture. Keep that up to there. And this will be up to here. Next, right click, done. After creating this, so go inside of the take offset. So I'll take 1.5 inch. After that, 0.7. Okay, see here. Here we have on this face also we have this. So that time what you have to do is you have to apply some another material here. So I will apply white here, and I will apply some black here, and I will push pull that 0.7. Okay, like this you can make any photo frame and you can move that. Okay, and also you have an options like you can so keep like this, and for next photo also you can copy this. If you are having 3 photos, I'll copy this. So for next photo, if you do changes here, this will also applicable there, right? So for that you have to first make the component as unique, then you have to insert the texture, import like this. Import texture. Mhm. is also white. Texture here, and you have to texture positioning, you have to change. Reset. Okay, so for next photo you have to make it rotate this. 90 degrees and move that here. Okay, you have to go inside of that. I will import this picture. Okay, you have to arrange the texture. Take it corner. Click on done. Okay, see here the green axis in horizontal direction, but for this green one is in vertical direction. Okay, next time I'm going to components, so where is our frame? Component. Okay, here it is our photo frame 1. But see here, I didn't make unique component. So that's why for first frame also become changed. So this I will make now as unique one. Now I will change this image, import texture, position. Means if you know this all this option, you can create nice components by your own. Do right click, done. Okay, for this green axis in horizontal direction, for this green axis is vertical direction. So now what will happen is, now I am taking this photo frame and I am keeping. See, while keeping, what's happening, the green axis will be going in the vertical direction. So that time what you have to do is you have to change the direction of that particular axis. Make component set axis Otherwise, edit component. Oh, we'll have hmm, okay, just I will explain it later. So like this, we can create the different components. So you can place that anywhere, wherever you want.